So good day everyone. I am here today to present my on-the-job training in aerobatica electronics, robotics, and automation. But first, let me introduce myself. I am Diane Luz S. Nava, a third-year college student in Colegio de Muntinlupa, currently taking up PS in Electronics Engineering. And for the on-the-job training, the company that accepted me to be their trainee is the company Aerobotica Electronics, Robotics, and Automation. I learned from them when they had their webinar in our ISEF Day, or the Electronics Day. They had a talk which introduces their company, the things they are doing, especially as a company that is focusing on robotics and automation, which is um, in our side, one of the things that we can focus on, that's where the interest sparks, and that's where I thought of that I can be one of their training. So for the summary of my on-the-job training, I was able to gain practical skills in a lot of aspects, especially in robotics and automation. This includes the designing, assembly, and the programming of robots using Arduino Uno and its software Arduino IoT. In addition to that, I was able to learn a new software that can be used to automate a robot, which is the RoboSim. I was able to use another software and my skills as well in Tinkercad and Walkie for simulations. For 3D printer naman, I was able to learn different type of printer as well as the software that can be used in order to print in the 3D printer. I also improved my project management as well as the time management and problem solving through the hands-on um, experience that I have, especially with the guidance of my mentors. And through the task given to me, I was able to hone my skills and is able to grasp different learnings that I can use in my further studies. And for the company profile of Aerobotica, it started in 2018 and was established in Santa Rosa, Laguna. So its owner, Engineer Bai, is a graduate of BS in Electronics Engineering in Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Maynila, and she had a vision of having a company which give quality products and services to its customer, especially in the field of electronics, robotics, and automation. So for the year 2019, where a robotics company expanded, wherein its service offering has increases and it has an opening of Makati branch. So for 2019, it broadens its services, which now includes electronics product distribution, electronic and circuit design hardware and software development research, web development, and PLC and SCADA solutions. For the year 2020, Aerobotica further diversified its offerings, adding Internet of Things equipment, CCTV surveillance systems, fire detection and alarm system, mobile app development, and industrial software development. It also started the beginning of online training programs offered by Aerobotica, which enhances the global footprint and technological capabilities of the small company that it is started. By 2021, Aerobotica had become an authorized partner of CompTIA, which enabled the company to provide certificates and review training. For the year 2022, the company incorporates CPD and ITS training and certifications into its service offering. In addition to that, is the launching of Aerolab, which is a state-of-the-art fabrication laboratory dedicated to research and development applications. Throughout the growth of Aerobotica has shown its commitment in giving high-quality products and services efficiently when it comes to electronics, robotics, and automation field. Aerobotica's mission is to surpass customer expectations through technical expertise and innovative solutions while fostering a safe, healthy, and supportive workplace environment for its employees. The company's vision is to achieve a global competitiveness in robotics, automation, and ICT. This vision is guided by its core values such as diligence, continuous improvement, shared ownership, customer satisfaction, and respect. So for the organizational structure of Aerobotica, its founder is Engineer Bayan Rasha I. Diplomo, MSECE, MSICT. She is a graduate of PS in Electronics Engineering in Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Manila. She took up her masteral and is currently taking up her doctorate. So alongside Engineer Bai is the president of Aerobotica, which is Sir Noel A. Diploma. Together, they stand as one in improving and making the company um, give quality product and services to its customers. For its department, it has different departments which include the web or software development, research and development, which includes the electronics department, and the administrative department. So every department has its own function in the operation of the company. So for the web or software development, they are the one that is um, responsible for the development of their software, which includes the company's website. For the research and development, they are the ones who is responsible in finding solutions and researching about different things that can make the company better. And for the administrative work, they're the ones who planned and schedule operations inside the company and outside. So for the activities that was made inside Aerobotica, first it started with the on-the-job training activities. So for the first one, the management introduces the company, its mission, vision, as well as the history of how Aerobotica started. They also discusses about the daily accomplishment report wherein we will put all the tasks that we did in that day and we will be passing it through Telegram. So another one is the Marquee app which serves as our online time card wherein we will be taking a picture which includes the location, the time, and the name of training. This serves as the time card so that the management know that the trainee, the OGT trainee, is indeed working in their time. Another one is the guidelines and reminders set by the management, especially the respect through their employees and as well as the other OJT employees. They are then introduced to the management. So the employees and the specific department heads was introduced for us to further learn about them and to know the people that we can ask when internship started. Other activities includes the tutorial for the software that we will be using inside the Robotica. This includes ECEDA for circuit design, Fusion 360 which is used in 3D printer, Tinkercad and Walkie for simulations which includes the robotics on automation part, Arduino IDE which is a software used in order to code the Arduino, and Robocene which is a software used in order to also programming of a robot. Other training activities includes the familiarization with components such as microcontrollers, relay, motor driver, sensors, and motors, which is essential in learning how to operate, how to program, and how to assemble a robot. Another one is the automation and robotics familiarization. We were given a study material wherein we were able to learn further and be able to simulate robotics related components from level 1 to level 6, which has its own difficulty. We were able to learn about it and to make our learning deeper about robotics and automation. Another one is the introduction with the robots. So the department head of electronics department introduces us about the robots that the Robotica had made. Um, this includes ZM Robo, line following robots, sumobots, pick and place robots, and humanoid robots. They explained how these robots are made from scratch, from its design, from the components that was used, from the circuit design that made the robots possible, and as well as the finished product where we were able to see how it works. Throughout the training activities and tasks that was given to us and we were able to finish, we were able to learn skills that is both new and skills that we know that we were able to improve. This includes the software simulation skills, such as the ECEDA, Fusion 360, Tinkercad, Walkme, Arduino IDE, and Robocy. We were able to learn how it works, how we can function it, and how we can use it in real-world application. So for hardware skills, since Aerobotica not only focuses on robotics and automation, but as well as in electronics, we were able to learn hardware skills, especially in soldering, components, assembling of robots, in making PCB designs, in components familiarization, and in Arduino proficiency. Another one is with the 3D familiarization. As we know, 3D is progressing nowadays, and being able to be familiarized and learn how it works is one of the things that we can say that will help us in future um, experiences. So we were able to learn Fusion 360, and we were also able to learn how to operate 3D printers, such as in different type of printer. So for we're also able to learn Arduino proficiency using Arduino IDE and being able to design a circuit for Arduino. And for the last one, of course, we were able to learn about automation and robotics since we were given a learning material from level 1 to 6, which includes different type of application using Arduino, such as LEDs, motors, LCD sensors, and many more. In conclusion, during my internship training, I was able to learn different skills offered by Airbotica, which include both the software and hardware skills, which includes ECEDA, the application of ECEDA, as well as in other software applications such as Walkme, Tinkercad, Fusion 360, and RoboSim. For the hardware part, I was able to solder many, and by many, I mean many robots components. I was able to be familiarized with the components that are being used. I was able to better know how to assemble robots and to make it function. I was able to learn how to operate a 3D printer, as well as how or what application I can use in order to make my own 3D print. Aside from all the skills that I've learned, I was able to meet new amazing people that has shown me how to cope up both in studies and in real world, such as when I have a work. Looking ahead, I am willing to deepen my understanding in the advanced robotics, particularly on how telecommunications can improve system integration. So, to better my experience when it comes to the internship experience, I propose a more structured schedule that considers interruptions like holidays, allowing interns to maximize learning and contribute more effectively to the organization's objective. That is all for my on-the-job training in aerobotica, electronics, robotics, and automation.